Hi, my name is Mari Bowie and I'm an attorney at the Nieves Law Firm, and today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between an assault and a battery. So typically we hear assault and battery. We hear assault and battery together, battery by itself, assault by itself, and then we have the colloquial way that it's used and we say, oh, I was assaulted. Now, in the legal world, especially in the criminal world, there's a difference between assault and battery, and that language is super specific. So when someone says, oh, I was assaulted, a lawyer might not look at it the same way a normal person might look at it, because there are legal definitions that are distinct from one another. Sometimes you can have assault, and sometimes you can have battery and assault. Sometimes you can have just a battery. It really depends. And so the difference lies on contact. So assault is charged under Penal Code 240. Assault is basically the action before a battery. It's if you had the capacity to batter someone or cause harm to someone, and if that person actually perceived that you would do harm. So for instance, if I flinch at you with a fist, that's an assault. If you actually perceived that I would actually punch you, and I had the opportunity to actually punch you but did not do so. Typically you see assault with a firearm or anything like that. That's because it's about that person's perception and the opportunity that you had to actually cause injury to them. So assault is the action before battery, and if that person saw it and believed that you were going to harm them. Whereas battery, which is charged under Penal Code 242, is the actual contact. So instead of me flinching at you, if I actually punch you and make contact with you, that then becomes a battery. And it's going to be a battery because of the contact. Now, it could be an assault and a battery if you see me about to punch you and then I do actually punch you. That's assault, the action of me about to punch you, and battery, the action of me actually punching you. Now, if you don't see me about to punch you and I for some reason punch you from behind and you don't see it, then it's just a battery. There's no assault because you didn't see it and you didn't perceive a threat at that time. And so the difference between assault and battery specifically lies on the contact and if it occurs or if it doesn't. And again, sometimes you can have assault on its own, sometimes you can have battery on its own, and sometimes they're joined together. But that is the difference. The difference is very specific in criminal court because they're two separate criminal acts, and so a lot of times they get conflated, but they're two separate actions, and it's really important to know the difference. If you believe that you may be charged or have been charged with either assault or battery, please contact the Nieves Law Firm and see how we can help you.